Today on The Blind Pig, I'm going to show you how to make the pre-prohibition cocktail, The Last Word. Hey everyone, welcome back once again to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. The Last Word is a pre-prohibition cocktail that was first served at the Detroit Athletic Club around 1915 by bartender Frank Fogarty. It didn't appear again in cocktail books until the 1951 book, Bottoms Up, but that appears to have fallen out of favor as it really didn't show up again until the early 2000s when pre-prohibition cocktails became popular again. It popped up at Seattle's bar Zig Zag Café. They started making it again. Revered for its balance of sweet, sour, and herbal flavors, The Last Word is about as close to a perfect as cocktail can get. I'm actually, to be honest, pretty shocked we've not made this before. When I was kind of going through drinks to make for this series of videos, I was like, surely I've made a Last Word before. I love this drink. I've made it so many times. No, we haven't. So, guys, here's how to make one of my absolute favorite drinks, The Last Word. We're going to start out, guys, by chilling our cocktail glass. Toss a couple ice cubes in there. Let that sit off to the side for now. In our shaker, we are going to mix 3/4 of an ounce. This is one of those awesome and rare equal parts drinks. I've actually found and read that a lot of pre-prohibition cocktails were equal parts because actually having a book of cocktails was considered illegal during Prohibition. So during Prohibition, when they're making cocktails, they would make everything equal parts. So the bartender wouldn't have to remember that it was this much of that or this much of that. Everything was exactly equal parts. So all they know was what was in the drink. That's how you made it. So this one's super easy to remember. It's 3/4 of an ounce of everything. So we'll start out with 3/4 of an ounce of our lime juice. Already have ice in our shaker, by the way. 3/4 of an ounce of that. Always, always, always fresh lime juice in a cocktail. Then we have 3/4 of an ounce of green chartreuse. You might have seen our other videos on this. This stuff is hard to find right now. It's expensive. We have other videos that explain why. We'll link those. You can check them out. 3/4 of an ounce of our green chartreuse. This is a very herbal liqueur. 3/4 of an ounce of our Maraschino Liqueur, a very sweet liqueur. Should balance out the herbal notes. And then we have 3/4 of an ounce of gin. We love the Botanist here. We use this quite a bit in our cocktails. We're going to use that today as well. 3/4 of an ounce of that. Then we're going to go ahead and shake the heck out of it. Once that shaker is cold to the touch, you know it's good to go. Dump our ice out of our coupe. Go ahead and strain that in. Oh, love the kind of light green, seafoamish kind of color of that. Oh, it's beautiful. And then for our garnish, we're going to use a Luxardo cherry. Go ahead and drop that in. I know I love this drink. I'm excited to just drink it right now for you guys. Cheers. I'm going to do a rare thing I don't usually do on this channel. I'm just going to finish this right now, guys. I love this drink so much. You're going to love it too. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment below, guys. We'll see you soon. Cheers. I need that.
Oh, I was doing that.
Yeah.